Hey guys, so today we are going over how to fix low back tightness, and we're going to do specific movement that you might be surprised at the results that you may have afterwards. My name is Dr. Dawne Costantino. I work at Performance Place Sports Care in Orange County, and I am just one part of the locally world famous chiropractors here in Orange County, California. And if you guys liked this video, if some of this worked for you, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear. I'm going to go over two things, so I would love to hear which one worked for you or if both worked for you. If you guys like our videos, please click on the P around the video somewhere. It'll take you to our YouTube channel where you can like and subscribe. There's a search bar that you can type in low back pain. We have tons of other exercises, stretches, and educational videos of what might be causing your low back pain, if that is something that you guys are into, okay? So let's get into it. So I am standing here because I want you guys to actually, as you're watching this video, stand up with me and go through what we're about to go through together, okay? So I have low back tightness. I have it maybe because I went for a run and that's what always happens afterwards, maybe after a lift such as squatting or deadlifting, maybe from sitting for a long period of time. Whatever may be causing it, if you have low back tightness right now, I want you to try this out with me. So go ahead and stand up, okay? We're gonna go feet together and we're just gonna do a little bit of a baseline assessment of how the low back feels right now. We're gonna go down to wherever we're comfortable and touch our toes, okay? Don't go anywhere where you're gonna push past any sort of pain. Just take a baseline of what this feels like, okay? We're gonna stand up tall, hands behind our back, lean backwards. How does that feel, okay? We're gonna go side to side and we're gonna rotate. So right now, I'm feeling a little bit of tightness with my rotation and with my flexion. You guys just take a note of whatever one is tight for you. If that all feels okay, pick a provocative movement. I know every time I sit down, I have pain. Or every time I do a squat, I have pain. I want you guys to take a baseline level, pick something right now, do it, and see how it feels, okay? First thing we're gonna do now is we're gonna get down on the floor, onto our stomach, propped up onto our elbows like we're reading a book, okay? We're just gonna explore this extension movement because a lot of times what causes low back tightness is a lot of rounding and forward flexion type of movements. So sometimes just going into the opposite direction really, really works for some people. If this feels okay on your elbows, you may feel kind of a little bit of discomfort in your low back, but one thing to take note of as we progress through this exercise is the pain is not traveling further away from my spine. So what that looks or feels like is it started in my low back and now I feel it in my glute, or I feel it in my hamstring or my calf. If it goes down the leg at all, then I want you to stop. This is not going to be the movement for you. We have other videos on ones that might work for you, okay? But if this feels okay and feels like we can progress, let's do it. We're going to take our hands underneath our shoulders here, and we're going to press up, just like this, okay? We're going to do 10 to 20 of these. So all I want you guys to think about, and continue to do this while I talk, is that you're using all of your arm strength, okay? Notice I keep my pelvis on the floor as much as possible. I am not squeezing my glutes. I am not squeezing my low back muscles. My arms are doing all of the work, okay? So in this position here, relax at the top, take a breath, come right back down. We're gonna do about 10 of these. Sometimes people can't do this enough or their arms start to get really, really tired. It just feels a little bit weird. We can go into tabletop position like this. Bring the belt buckle down to the floor and right back up. Don't come all the way backwards, okay? We're just gonna quickly get another 10 in, just like this, okay? Making sure to relax your glutes. Some people, they feel like, well, I can't get as far as I see you doing in the video. That's okay. Just explore the range for a little bit, okay? I've been doing this quite a while. Some people don't necessarily have this range right now, and that's totally fine. Just respect your body and where it's at right now, okay? So once we get about 20 repetitions of these, I want you guys to stand up, okay? And retest those movements that you noticed cause pain. So I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna retest my forward flexion. And it actually feels better. It's not completely gone, but it feels better about maybe 30%. So if I have 30% improvement, which is 20 of those, what would more of them do for me, okay? So if you guys had some of the same results as I did, I want you guys to try some more of these, okay? Also, we have tons of other videos of what to do next on this. So if this worked for you guys just the same way it did for me, I want you to stick around. This is just one video to a whole series of how to fix low back pain. We have tons of other exercises and stretches that you guys can incorporate with this specific movement that might help you. Okay, also where to go from here. This really worked for me and I want to continue to do this, but I don't want to have to do this forever. Where do I go? This is a question that we get a lot, you guys. So there's going to be a surprise somewhere that pops up on the video, a link that you can click on. It is a free gift. It might also be in the description below. So check out the description below, click on that link, and please take advantage of the next step. It is going to help guide you in how to have relief in your low back tightness for longer periods of time, you guys, okay? So again, like and subscribe to our channel. Check out all of the other videos we have for low back tightness and comment below. Let us know your thoughts on this video. If you guys want some more guidance, have some questions for us, or want to know something a little bit more individualized for you, email us, call us. We would love to help you through your healing journey of your low back pain. Talk to you guys soon.